put 4 gallons of water in a clean pail. Add the B4 acid etch powder slowly to the water, stirring constantly until totally dissolved. Apply Devcon B4 acid etch with a bristle brush, working it into the concrete. Let it sit for 20 minutes. This will make the concrete porous, increasing the surface area and promoting a stronger bond of the epoxy coat to the concrete. Rinse thoroughly several times to neutralize the B4 acid etch. Squeegee dry and then allow the surface to totally dry before proceeding. Thoroughly mix the 2 parts of Devcon Epoxy Coat. Cut in along the edges with a brush. Spread Devcon Epoxy Coat evenly 8 mil thick using a squeegee. Follow this by rolling out the coating with a short to medium nap roller. Allow to dry for 16 to 24 hours.